Good morning and welcome to Faith Lift. I'm Pastor Wayne Hanson from Summit Church in Castle Rock, Colorado. We're looking in the one-year Bible today for June 25th at Acts chapter 16, verse 25. And this is the story of Paul and Silas when they were put into jail at night and they were beaten. It says a mob quickly formed. They were stripped and they were beaten with wooden rods. They're severely beaten, thrown into prison. By biblical standards, that means that they were beaten pretty severely. So the jailer put them into an inner dungeon and clamped their feet into the stocks. And what do you think they did? Do you think they felt sorry for themselves? No. It says around midnight, Paul and Silas were praying and singing hymns to God, and the other prisoners were listening. Suddenly, there was a massive earthquake, and the prison was shaken to its foundations. All the doors immediately flew open, and the chains of every prisoner fell off. And of course the jailer woke up. They came in and Paul said, "Don't kill yourself. We're all here." And he said, "What must I do to be saved?" And I think in many ways he wasn't asking about eternal salvation. He was asking, "Hey, what do I do so you guys aren't going to kill me?" And and then of course Paul shares the gospel. God does the miraculous. Remember that.
It's 29 minutes that'll change your life. Bring your family to one of our weekend celebrations. Make new friends in a small group. Enjoy a world-class youth and kids ministry. Impact the world through missions. You can even go to church online. Discover more at mysummitchurch.com.